Hello everyone, I'm M.Vyshnavi. In this model, I would like to discuss about the application of seismic load on the design building and also the application of seismic load by response spectrum method and time history method. So now open the previous model. Now we will apply the seismic load on the building. So go to define and click on load patterns and select load as seismic. Now set the type to seismic. Now set auto lateral load to IS 1893 2002. Then now click on add new load. Now click on modify lateral load. Now select only the X and Y directions. Set the seismic zone factor to 0.1. This is according to IS 1893 and set the site type to 2. Now set the response reduction to 3. This is also same according to IS 1893 2002. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now go to define and click on load combinations. Click on add default design combos. Now click on concrete frame design. Click on OK. Loads are added. So click on OK. We have assigned the seismic load on the building. So go to analyze. Click on set load case to run. Now click on run now. Now go to design, analysis is going on. These are the displacement values. Now go to design and click on concrete frame design. Now click on view or revise preferences. Make sure the design code is set to IS 456 2000. Now click on OK. Now go to design and click on concrete frame design and click on start check or design. Click on OK. Click on yes. Go to design and click on concrete frame design and select verify all members. We got all concrete frame passed the design check. So click on OK. Now click on reports and we'll get and select project report. In the report, we can find all the information regarding the design the building. Now, now we are going to perform the seismic analysis on the building by response spectrum method. Since we have done analysis on the model, it is locked. So unlock it. Before adding the response spectrum function, make sure whether the seismic load is added or not. So go to define and click on load patterns. Seismic load is added. So click on OK. Now go to define and click on functions and select response spectrum. Then select IS 1893 2002. Now click on add new function. Then select response spectrum. Set the seismic factor to 0.1 and it is according to IS 1893 2002 and set the soil type to 2. Now click on OK. Properties of the seismic response spectrum function are defined. So now click on OK. Now go to options and select display units. Here we have to check the unit's acceleration parameter. Then go to define and click on load cases. Click on add new case. Set the load case name to response spectrum. Then again set load case type to response spectrum. Now click on add. Now set the function to response spectrum, and after the calculation we get a scale factor, and change the scale factor. Now again click on add for another load. Now change the load name to U2 and set the function to response spectrum, and again change the scale factor value. Now make sure that the directional combination type is SRSS and click on OK. The seismic response spectrum function load is defined. So click on OK. Now we have to perform structural analysis. So go to analyze. Click on set load case to run. There is no need to run for the live and dead load. So change them to do not run. So just select them and click on not run case. And again select the dead load and click on it. Now click on run now option. Here we can see the displacement values. Now go to display and click on force or stress diagram and select a frame and set the component to shear 2 and click on apply and set the momentum to 3 and click on apply. Now click on OK. Now we will run the structural designed model. Go to design, click on display and click on force stress diagram and click on shell stresses and select F11 and click on apply. Now go to design, click on concrete frame design and select start design. Now go to now go to design and select concrete frame design and click on verify all members pass. Have shown that all concrete frames passed the design check. So click on OK. Now we can go to reports and select the project. Then we'll get all the information regarding the project. Now, the project report contains the total information regarding the design to model. Now, we are going to perform the seismic analysis by time history method. So, unlock it. Now, you have to make sure whether the seismic load is added or not. So, go to define and select the load patterns, and the seismic load is added. So, click on OK. Now, go to define and click on functions and select time history, and now select from file and click on add new function and set the function name to time history. Here we can select any of the information regarding the earthquake. Any Here I took the information of the earthquake of West Bengal in the year 2005. Now select the format type to fixed format and set the number of points to 1. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now go to define and click on load cases. Now select the response spectrum and click on delete case. Click on add new case and set the name to time history. And set the load case type to time history. Now click on add and set the load pattern to acceleration and set the function to time history and change the scale. There is no need to add another load because the value for the acceleration are only in x direction. So click on OK. Seismic time history function load is defined. So click on OK. Go to Analyze. Now click on Set Load Case to run. Make sure that dead and live load are set to do not run. Now click on Run now. We can see the displacement values. Now go to Display. Click on Force or Stress Diagrams and click on Frame. Set the component to Shear 2 and click on Apply and set to Movement 3 and click on Apply. Now click on OK. Now again go to Design. Go to Display and click on Force Stress Diagrams and select Shell Stresses. Now click on Apply. Now click on OK. Now go to Design. Click on Concrete Frame Design and select View or Revise Preferences and make sure the design code is set to IS 456-2000. Now click on OK. Now again go to Design and click on Concrete Frame Design and go to Start Design or Check. Now go to Design and click on Concrete Frame Design and click on Verify All Members Passed. That all concrete frame passed the design check. Successfully, the structural design of the building model is completed. Now go to Reports and click on the project report. Then we will get the in the project report we'll get the whole information regarding the design building. Thank you.